Hey, Nick from Old Fashioned Nights. So a little over a year ago, I made a rather long and detailed video on an outfeed table that I made. So far it's held up great. It's come in handy in my small basement shop. And like I said, the video is rather long, so I decided to make an abridged version of that video. I also wanted to get back into a more regular release schedule of videos. Earlier this year, my wife and I had our second child, so things have been rather hectic and I haven't had too much time to produce more content. Who would have thought having kids is hard work? I have a bunch of more videos lined up and I'll try to get back to a more regular release schedule here soon. So in the meantime, enjoy this abridged version and check out the original video for a more detailed and thorough explanation on my thought processes. So go ahead and enjoy. Just happen the spacing between my vertical support is enough where I can easily spin that around. Let's take this. All right, that looks good. On like so, I saw on my table saw, or my fence on my table saw, and I just want to make sure that it's not gonna obstruct anywhere with my placement. that was the video. Again, if you enjoy this content, please hit like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.